Hey, what's up guys, it's Davis here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and initial impressions review. Initial impressions on the Camon 17, which is the latest Tecno offering. So this is just part of the 3 phones that Tecno released under the Camon 17 series. So you're going to have the Camon 17 Pro, 17P, and Camon 17, which is the lighter version of the 3. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Before we do that, guys, please help me and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. I'll be really grateful. It's really important to me. And also give me a like if you end up liking the video. So let's first get a look at it. So this is what the box is going to look like on the Camon 17 when you purchase it. And the other 2 variants, you're gonna have a P or a Pro here on that number right there. So those are some of the specs that Tecno is proud of in this late version. 48 MP main camera, and the processor, the MediaTek Helio G85, 128 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM. So this is gonna have 2 variants. There's a 6 GB RAM, I believe, with 128 GB. The display is 90 Hz and HD plus, that's 720p, and 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. So let's go ahead and unbox the device. This is turning out to be difficult. Taking some time, right? So that's what you're going to be greeted by the device on top, obviously, as soon as you unbox. So actually I haven't used this one yet. It's also my first time looking at it. Okay, let's see if there's a better way of removing this. So let me first remove the phone. So first thing you're going to be greeted by is the device itself. The Camon 17, brand new. Okay, let's first put that aside. And then what you're going to receive in the box, obviously, the warranty card from Tecno, which I've never gotten to use actually. And a case, silicone gel case, which I'll be trying this on in a few seconds. Then the other things that you get are your type A cable. Oh, this is micro USB. Okay, that's surprising. So you get a charger in the box. Okay, that's a good thing. It's a heavy charger. It looks like it's going to be a very nice one. It's just 18 watts though, nothing exciting, right? So other things that you get in the box are the USB cable. But it's surprising that it's micro USB. I thought at least they would have a USB type C at this point. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Micro USB in 2021. That's kind of disappointing. And then you get a couple of earphones in the box. Okay, that is well appreciated. I think that's all you get in the box. I don't know if there is anything like a manual or something of the sort. I don't think there is anything after that. Right, so that's what you get in the box. I think let's move on and look at the device itself. Camon 17. Well, I'm excited to see what it looks like. I don't even know what color this is. So let's open this up and have a first look at this device. Camon 17. So I believe you open it from here like that. So I believe this is the black version of the phone. So this is the Camon 17 in all its glory, brand new. So guys, I just finished setting up the device, doing the initial setup of the device. So let's get go through a few specs on the device. So I'm going to start off with the display, which is a 720p IPS LCD, 6.6 inches, with 90 Hz high refresh rates. So it's good to see that even these very, very budget friendly devices are getting the high refresh rates now. Though obviously you're having a 720p display here, so it's not really all that vibrant. Yeah, I think I'll be saving most of the comments for the full review. Yeah, so I have a 720p 90 hertz panel, 6.6 inches. Yeah, that's for the display. And yeah, talking about the software of the device, so yeah, this has been released with Android 11 out of the box. Yeah, but obviously to speak right now, Android 12 is on its way. Some OEMs have started testing out Android 12 on their devices, like the OnePlus 9. Yeah, so Android 11 is no longer the latest because Android 12 is on the way very soon. Yeah, so yeah, that's for the software. Yeah, so it's running iOS. It's running iOS 7.6. Yeah, which is the latest version. Yeah, I believe that's the latest version of iOS, which is Tecno's custom UI for their phones. Yeah, then for the cameras, you have a triple camera setup, but really you can consider only one because yeah, it's the only camera you're going to be able to use or switch to. This is a 48 MP camera, 48 MP main camera, and then you have two other cameras, 2 MP cameras, one being a depth sensor, the other is not really specified. I don't know what it does, maybe a macro camera. And then you have the 4 quad flash. Yeah, this is a quad flash. It comes with the camera. Just help you out in these dark moments. Yeah, that's what you call them. Okay, at the front you have a 16 MP camera, selfie camera, which Tecno is really bragging about. Yeah, and then at the bottom you have your headphone jack and a micro USB, which is surprising and at the same time very annoying. 2021 you shouldn't be seeing these right here. And then you have your loudspeaker at the bottom as well. For the battery, you have a 5000 mAh battery, which I believe is going to give you very good battery life. Yeah, and then yeah, supports fast charging at 18 watts, which is nothing special really, given this is 5000 mAh battery. Yeah, so basically you're going to be charging under 2 hours. I don't think it's going to be anything special really. Yeah, and then I think that's all we can talk about. And then the processor here, you have a J85 MediaTek, yeah, which is a mid-range chip. I believe it's going to give you decent performance, but nothing special. Yeah, I'll take into consideration obviously the price of the device and all that. So yeah, let's just take a look at the card slot as the last thing maybe for this unboxing. So yeah, you're going to have 2 micro SIM cards and 1 SD card, and actually you have a rubber gasket around the SIM tray, so maybe there's some bit of water resistance, but not really a lot. I don't expect it to be anything special. Yeah, given the price of the device, obviously the things that you don't have to expect. So you have your fingerprint at the back. Let's try on the case, see how it fits. Well, we soon find that how it's going to look like. Nothing special. Has a design. Yeah, it's nothing special, and actually it feels a bit loose. It's going to become very loose very fast. I'm not actually a fan of these jelly cases. They get dirty, and yeah, they start changing color weirdly in a few weeks. So yeah, that's basically it for the Camon 17 guys. My unboxing and initial review. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, I'm going to be making the full review of this very soon, and I have very many videos planned for it. So guys, yeah, if you're new to my channel, please help me and subscribe. I'll really be grateful. And just see you in the next one. Peace.